What is the healing circle? It's our sacred gathering once a week on Zoom. And to me, it's a spiritual shower where we're clearing through my sonic transmissions and the light language any dense energies, fears, worries, doubts, anxiety, stress, anger. And then it will be replaced by liquid golden pure love light healing energy that comes in with these beautiful tones from the light beings, which will activate your light body, which is the area around your heart, your throat, and your third eye. So you can really live from your heart and speak your truth and really see the truth in life. And for the light language, you have your eyes open so you can see the visual cues, and oftentimes a beautiful, magical, inspirational message comes through for us also. And then for the sonic transmission with the tones, you lie down with your eyes closed, headphones on, bundled up in a cozy blanket, and you just really enjoy the high frequencies which come in and they go into your cellular structure and restructuring the cells and your DNA and rebalance your whole energy flow. Yes, and that brings immense healing. And because we're working with a clear focused intent, so when you come in, you set that intent in either physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, either psychological, any issue you would like to have some assistance with, the light beings then collaborate with your own self-healing ability, and that facilitates then the results that you would like to have. Yeah. And because we are working with the quantum field, distance doesn't matter. So we have participants from all around the world, so join us. Follow for more on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Ushti ala amda akhta aya a ya ole ja ilya amda ala echte e ya ushti ele amda akhta a ya a yo ushti ule amda ja uju she akhta a yo. Many blessings to you and have a beautiful day.